Welcome to Guide Hub. In this episode, I'm going to guide you on how to sign up for Walmart's newsletters. For that, make sure you open one preferred browser. Here I am opening Google. Now at the search bar, you have to simply search Walmart's newsletter, sign up. You will be now lead to this page, and at the first you can see the option email OPT in walmart.com. You have to click over there. Now at this box you need to enter your email address. After you are done writing your email address, you have to simply click on sign up. You will now be notified about new items, Walmart exclusive and everyday low prices. You'll also get inspiration and tips for every season top trends and more in the email address you just entered. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.